pretend we are given the equation of a related line and asked to find a line that's related to that, either perpendicular or parallel. We're also given a point on that line, or a y-intercept. So what do we know about parallel lines? Parallel lines never meet. This is because they have the same rise and run. They have the same slope. If we're given the equation of a parallel line and asked to find the equation of a line related to that, we can use the original line's slope in our equation. And then we can plug in our y-intercept or a point on that line to calculate b. Since we were given y equals x plus 2, we know that the equation of the parallel line will also have a slope of 1x. In this case, y equals 1x minus 1. It's a little different for perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines use what is called an opposite reciprocal in their slope. Because perpendicular lines meet at a 90-degree angle, to calculate the slope of perpendicular lines, we'll use the opposite. Instead of negative, it'll be positive, or instead of positive, it'll be negative, and we'll reciprocate that. Instead of 2, we're going to use negative 1/2, or instead of 3/4, we're going to use negative 4/3. Opposite reciprocal in itself kind of gives you instructions on what it's asking you to do. It's asking you to take the opposite, make it either positive or negative, whatever the opposite would be, and take the reciprocal, which basically just means flipping it over. We can then use that slope and the point we're given, or the y-intercept, to calculate the new line that we are trying to find.